Hello and welcome to Lydia Hawk Designs. Today we are going to make a face mask that doesn't require elastic ear straps. The reason that I'm making this, there are a lot of great face mask tutorials out there, but most of them require elastic. I'm actually running low on my elastic. Elastic is very versatile and it allows you to stretch the mask over your face, but again, I'm running low, and also I want to make one that has a pouch that will accommodate a filter. You just have to adjust the size to make sure the filter fits. I've already pressed my edges here, but what you'll do is you'll cut an 8" by 6.5" square of your front fabric. The back is, I've cut 4.5" by 8 inches. They will overlap. I've already ironed down a 1/4 inch and then a 1/4 inch again on both of these pieces. I'm going to sew those down. For the straps, here I made one that is a full loop on either side that you can knot, but it's a little cumbersome to try to get it over the ears. I also pleated it 3 times. But it was really tough getting the sewing machine needle over the seam in the center where these flaps overlap. So I've adjusted the design a little bit, and I've already ironed a 1/4 inch fold on either side, and then we're going to fold it again to get rid of all of that loose fringe in the center. And then when we're done, we're going to put our right sides facing. So this is the decorative side, so that's going to face. This fold in the center is our wrong side, so we'll place one on the lower edge and then one on the upper edge. And then we're going to sew all the way around, inserting our straps as we go. And we're going to cut these in half so we have 6" strips on all 4 corners of our mask. I've got all my pieces ironed down. Forgive the gardening sounds outside. So now we've got 4 ear straps. That might be a little short, we'll see. Right sides facing, and start in the center. And to stop before I get to the edge, I'm going to insert one strap. I'm just going to angle it right towards the corner. Right center towards the corner. Back stitch. And then back stitch a little bit on either side. Oops. Make sure you don't sew over it again and it's facing the center. You don't want to secure it more than once. There we go. Then I'm going to take the second strap and do the same thing. I'll just pull the straps towards the outside, get it nice and flat. Now we just need to make our pleats. So I'm going to start about 1 inch in top right. And I'm going to fold over about a 1/2 inch width. And I'm only going to do this twice because I don't want to try to create 3 and go over the seam for the 2 flaps in back. It's really thick. It takes some finessing to get over it with the sewing machine, so I'm just going to skip it. And down here I'm going to go in the opposite direction, about roughly 1 inch from the bottom, and about a 1/2 inch, about a 1/2 inch overlap. That's going to give us a side width of about 3.5 inches. I'm just going to do this on both sides, try to keep it even. We've got our pleats. Now we just need to go about a 1/4 inch right around the edge to secure that. And when it gets stuck, you just, if you've got material sticking out in the back, just pull on it, guide it through. The way I put my needles in, they're typically below the sewing machine needle lines, so I can leave them in. Yeah, I can get So now you've got a mask with 2 pleats that accommodates your mouth, and you can put your filter in here. Didn't cut all my thread on the inside. And now we're just going to go around the outside one more time for just a little extra security, about a 1/2 inch. And here we have an elegant design for face mask that accommodates a pouch, and you can tie the straps. Elastic eventually wears out, so this will be more durable. And you just pull it over one ear and then adjust the other one. And your pleats can go in opposite directions, or you could have them both going in the same direction. That's really just a matter of preference and what accommodates your filter. There are filters that you can buy that are well within the measurements for this design. And if you want, you can also take some steel wire if you want more closure over the nose and more support. Keep the face mask closer to your face. You can cut a piece of wire, and then you would basically be inserting it right in the center, right where your nose will go, and then stitch on either side just to make sure it doesn't shift around. It's easily modifiable, very quick to make, not very complicated either, and will work nicely if you can't find some to buy, or if you have a friend that sews, maybe you could have them make you a couple. Thank you for watching. If you would like a customized face mask, you can message me. I sell them on my Etsy store. I'm running out of elastic, so I've got a few of the fun pirate material face masks left, but if there's something specific you're looking for, specific measurements, please feel free to message me. My costs cover materials and a little bit of labor, but it's not crazy. I don't charge a whole lot, and they're fun and efficient. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy sewing!